Where did Lencho live? Lencho କେଉଁଠାରେ ରହୁଥିଲା? Lencho lived in the only house in the entire valley, situated on the top of a low hill. Lencho संपूर्ण उपत्यकारे थिबा गोटिए मात्र घरे रहुतिला, जहाँकि एक छोटिया पहाड़र शीर्ष देश अवस्थित थिला. What did he hope for? सी कौन आशा करिथिला? Lencho hoped for a good harvest from the ripe corn dotted with flowers. Lencho तार शस्य क्षेत्र जहाँकि विक्षिप्त फूलरे परिपूर्ण थिला ताठारो एक उत्तम अमलर आशा करिथिला. What did he say about the raindrops? वर्षा बिंदु विषय से कौन कहिथिला? Lencho said that the raindrops falling from the sky were new coins. Lencho कहिथिला जे आकाशरू झरुथिबा जलबिंदु गुड़िक हेउछंती नूतन मुद्रा गुड़िक. He regarded the big drops as 10 cents and the little ones as 5 cents. सीए बड़ बड़ जलटोपा गुड़िकु 10 सेंट्स एवं छोट जलटोपा गुड़िकु 5 सेंट्स बोली मने करिथिला. How did the rain change? वर्षा केमिति परिवर्तन ही गला. Suddenly the rain changed into very large hailstones with strong wind. हठात वर्षा एक शक्तिशाली पवन सहित एक बड़ कुआपथर वर्षारे परिवर्तन ही गला. What happened to Lencho's cornfield? लेंचोर शस्य क्षेत्र सहित कौन घटना घटिला? For an hour the hail rained on the whole valley. एक घंटा समय पर्यंत कुआपथर संपूर्ण उपत्यकारे वर्षा हैला. So Lencho's cornfield became white as if covered with snow. तेणु लेंचोर शस्य क्षेत्रटी लुणरे घोड़ाई हेला परी संपूर्ण रूपे धड़ा होई गला. Who did Lencho faith in? कहा उपरे लेंचो विश्वास करिथिला? Lencho had great faith in God. लेंचोर भगवान बा ईश्वरंक उपरे गभीर विश्वास थिला. Who did he write a letter to? से कहा निकटकू एक पत्र बा चिट्ठी लेखिला. He wrote a letter to God. से ईश्वर बा भगवानंक निकटकू एक पत्र बा चिट्ठी लेखिला. Who read the letter? चिट्ठीटी किए पढ़िला? At first the postman and then the postmaster read the letter. प्रथमे पोस्टमैन एवं तापरे पोस्टमास्टर से चिट्ठीटी को पढ़िले. What did the postmaster do? पोस्टमास्टर कौन कले? The postmaster as a kind man did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God. पोस्टमास्टर जड़े दयालु व्यक्ति भावरे लेंचोर भगवान बा ईश्वरंक प्रति थिबा आस्था बा विश्वास को दोहलाइबा को चाहू नथिले. He decided to send him some money to help the poor farmer. लेंचो परी जड़े गरीब चाषी को सहायता करिबा पई से किछि टंका देबा पई स्थिर कले. So he collected money from his employees and several of his friends. तेणु से तांकर कर्मचारी एवं किछि बंधुंक ठारू टंका आदाय करिबा आरंभ कले. He himself contributed some part of his salary. से निजे तांक दरमारू किछि अंश सेथरे योगदान देले. After gathering 70 peso money, he sent the money in an envelope to Lencho with a small letter on which he wrote God's signature. 70 पेसो टंका संग्रह कला परे से टंका को गोटे लफाफा बा एनवेलप रे रखिदेले एवं सांगरे गोटे चिठी रे जोथिरे से निजे ईश्वरंकर हस्ताक्षर करिथिले ताहाकू लेंचो को पठेई देले. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? कौन लेंचो किछि टंका सांग को चिट्ठी पाइबा परे आश्चर्य होइथिला? No, Lencho was not surprised at all to find a letter for him with money in it. ना लेंचो चिट्ठी सांग को किछि पैसा पाइबा परे मध्य आश्चर्य होई नथिला. What was Lencho's reaction after getting the letter? चिट्ठी पाइबा परे लेंचोर की प्रतिक्रिया देखा देथिला? After getting the letter, चिट्ठी पाइबा परे लेंचो became angry. लेंचो रागी जाइथिला. As the money sent to him by the God was just a bit more than half of the money needed by him. कारण जो टंका ताकू ईश्वर पठेइथिले ताहा से आवश्यक करुथिबा टंकार अधा ठारू टिके मात्र अधिक थिला. Why did Lencho keep on looking at the sky throughout the morning? Answer. Lencho kept on looking at the sky throughout the morning as he has a hope for rainfall to get a good harvest. Why was the field white after the storm? Answer. As the rain changed into very large hailstones with strong wind, for an hour the hail rained on the whole valley. So Lencho's cornfield became white as if covered with salt. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Lencho kept the hope of rainfall from long to get a good harvest. So when he felt the raindrops falling on his body, he regarded them as new coins. Why did Lencho prefer locusts to the storm? Answer. Lencho preferred locusts to the storm because locusts would have less destructive than the storm. Did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why or why not? Answer. No, Lencho did not try to find out who had sent the money to him because he had a strong confidence on his faith in God and he was sure that God himself sent the money to help him. What would be the reaction of the post office employees when they read the second letter? The post office employees would be shocked when they read the second letter of Lencho because Lencho has written about the officers as a bunch of crooks.